So we talked about symmetry of movement today, and I want to just reinforce that so that you have this video moving forward to kind of help you think about that again. So as a phrase that I've made up, I just think that it's helpful. When you think about symmetry of movement, do you use the right and left, the top and the bottom, the front and your back side of your body equally? So a good example of this is, if you're right-handed, do you clean your entire house with your right hand? Do you vacuum your entire house using your right hand? There's no reason why you can't do a non-dangerous task and switch. Clean things with your left hand. A bonus little tip is that by using your non-dominant hand, there's some evidence to support it can help reduce the risk or onset or delay the onset of dementia. Nobody wants to be demented, right? So unless it's dangerous, like cutting with a knife, don't do your non-dominant hand. But this goes even further to the way that you use and position your body. So like, for example, here I'm sitting cross-legged and I have my left leg in front because that feels the most natural to me. However, it's good to switch because it does require a slightly different position of the joints. This is not one of the more extreme positions, but I'll give you an example of something I do pretty regularly. I like to sit like this. This feels comfortable to me, but that's not necessarily comfortable for everybody. But when I switch to the other side, it's a little bit more of a stretch. So I force myself to consistently switch back and forth so that I don't develop shortening on one side and lengthening on the other, or strength on one side and weakness on the other. Now, we're never going to be totally symmetrical. Humans are not symmetrical, but you want to work toward it. You want to gently nudge your body toward that. Some other examples are, do you carry your purse on the same side all the time? Do you always sleep on the same side? Do you always pull your suitcase with the same hand? When you drive, do you lean one way? When you sit on the couch, do you always lean on the same armrest? If you notice that, holding your phone with the same hand all the time, that's a big one. Anything to do with the phone or the computer, we get real distracted and we don't realize what we're doing. So make sure that you're conscious of switching hands, or better yet, using your earbuds.
If you're a patient at Apex Wellness Providers, this video has been made for you to help assist in your technique for your health and wellness journey. If you're not a patient, please use this for educational and entertainment purposes and is never a substitute for your own individual medical advice.